कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
A woman of few words, she truly inspires us to thrive in discipline and not only utilize but also create opportunities for ourselves. To be a student under your guidance, Mum, is truly an honor. Under her nurturing guidance, we get such great opportunities to learn and develop our skills in the fields we like. Be it extracurriculars or academics, Ma'am has always provided us with the doors to enter the world full of possibilities. Thank you, Ma'am, for your dedication and leadership in building such a positive and enriching learning environment for all of us.
I've been in this school for the past 1 year and I've had a lot of interaction with Ms. Ma'am. She's been very supportive in terms of co-curriculars, sports, music and studies at the same time. She's always helped us, mentored us in terms of studies, how to balance things.
I've known Principal Ma'am since a decade now and I get ecstatic and very proud to say that I've never met a perfectionist like her. She has a keen eye for details and a radiance that lights up the room.
She was a great mentor and provided us equal opportunities for all sort of the activities at school.
She is the true embodiment of leadership, love and knowledge.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for the great opportunities you have given us, especially in the sports field. I feel really honored to have gone to Rationalize.
Her commitment to students, genuine concern and tireless work behind the scenes make a huge difference. I feel lucky to learn under someone so passionate and kind.
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ।
Dear Nan, wish you a very happy Principal's Day. You are a principal with principles. You are not a boss, you are a leader. You have a shared vision. You are not a manager, you are a mentor. You are not just an educationist, you are a motivator. And this is what the true definition of leadership is. Leaders, they create culture. Culture derives behavior, and behavior decides the output. That's why the culture of the school is to learn and grow. And this could only be possible because of you. We are blessed to have you in our lives. Thank you, ma'am, for everything.
Beacon of light, your vision clear and spirit bright, who has led our school with a gentle might.
For me, ma'am, you are more than a principal. My go-to person for both my personal and professional life, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. I pray to God to give you a happy and healthy life. And yes, one more thing I've learned from you. Do it with passion or not at all.
Ma'am, your ability to balance compassion with discipline, that is amazing. And you have created a very safe and a supportive school environment. Right from year one, I have maintained that you indeed are the wind beneath our wings.
Gratitude and just gratitude is what I think of when I think of you, ma'am. You have not just let us do what we want to, but you have pushed us to explore our potential. Thank you for being such a true leader.
Working under your leadership has been a pleasure. I really appreciate the amount of chances that we get here, provided the fact that we can work in our core ways.
Thank you for being a leader under whose guidance working becomes learning and learning becomes success.
Hi, ma'am. Happy Principal's Day. Hope you have a great one. Thank you for inspiring us, ma'am.
You have a great vision, ma'am. Ma'am, you are very poised and you are very motivational. Thank you for being the role model. Thank you for providing us with constant support and guidance. Ma'am, you're really impactful. Thank you for being a strong pillar.
You are highly energetic, ma'am.
Your dedication is appreciated. You are wonderful, ma'am. You're passionate, ma'am.
You always riding and supporting me, ma'am.
You have been the constant source of inspiration for me. You're just like the second mother to me in this institution. You have always taught me that how to stand on my feet and how to fight with the situations that they are going against you. Thank you so much for
making such an impact on my life.
You're the most genuine, warm, honest person I've ever met. The fact that the way you want to keep us together, or make us work as a team together, and the positivity and affection that you carry with you, like a mother, is infectious and very inspiring. We are truly blessed to have a visionary, strong, and inspiring leader. Thank you, ma'am, for constantly encouraging us to grow both as individuals and as educators, to strive to become the best version of ourselves.
I've been in this institution from the last 5 years, and ma'am has been always open to suggestions. We look up to her as, one person who we can go whenever we are in any kind of problem, personal, professional. She's so approachable that we don't have to think twice. We are really privileged to have a principal like her.
Thank you, ma'am, for always hearing the best in us and encouraging us to raise our own personal bar.
My first interaction with ma'am was the nicest. I mean, she was the perfect balance of strict yet approachable, and that lovely hint of smile when she approves of something that you said is such a big motivation. So I think I really look up to her, and someday I want to be like ma'am.
You are a source of inspiration to so many of us. Every day we get to learn so many new things from you. Just today, I realized that such keen observation skills you have. You could see a child depressed in a group of 50 students. The way you keep on updating your LinkedIn feeds that are so informative. Despite juggling between so many responsibilities, you always find time to make short videos for the small kids. There's so many things that every day I feel I have a new learning that I get from you. You counseling skills, every time you talk to a student or a teacher, you have so many nice advices for them. I'm really, really, really blessed to work under your guidance.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for guiding and support and giving opportunities to excel in my life.
A guiding light so wise and true. With every step, we learn from you. You lead with heart, with strength, with grace. A smile of warmth, a calm embrace. Dear Poonam ma'am, on this special day, we thank you more than words can say. I wish you a very happy Principal's Day.
Dear ma'am, what truly inspires me is the way you work. And apart from that, what impacts me the most as a counselor is how you show trust in your employees and your team.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, आपके प्रेम, सहयोग और मार्गदर्शन के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। प्रधानाचार्य दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Dear Principal ma'am, you have always inspired us to do our very best. Your never give up attitude keeps us motivated. Your love for pre-primary kids is truly heartwarming.
Thank you for guiding us, acting the heart of our school.
Happy Principal's Day.